Your website looks great today, but what hidden risks are growing just beneath the surface?
You invested time and money into a beautiful website that represents your business. But once it launched, did you just set it and forget it, assuming the job was done? On the surface, everything looks fine, but the code and plugins that power your site are aging every single day, creating invisible cracks in your digital foundation.
A potential client tries to contact you, but an outdated form silently fails. You never get the message, and they assume you're unresponsive, costing you a valuable lead.
Worse, a security vulnerability in an old plugin becomes an open door for hackers. A data breach doesn't just cost money to fix, it can permanently damage the trust you've built with your clients. Even slow load times from unoptimized code can get you penalized by Google. You'll watch your search rankings drop, and your competitors will start getting the traffic that used to be yours. Then the crisis hits. Your site goes down, shows an error, or gets defaced right before a big client meeting. Now you're scrambling for an emergency fix, with your business on hold. That emergency fix will cost a premium, far more than proactive care ever would. It's the difference between a planned, affordable monthly checkup and a trip to the emergency room. This is why we see website care not as a cost, but as essential business insurance. It's the proactive shield that guards your investment, your reputation, and your revenue around the clock. Our senior team handles everything in the background: security scans, software updates, performance tuning, and secure backups. We keep your site fast, safe, and working, so you can focus on what you do best. Stop waiting for a disaster. At Webmaster and more, we provide the peace of mind that your digital storefront is always secure and ready for business. Book a free website teardown today.